Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add different iPhones like design frames in any screenshot or screen recorded files in iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the App Store and just search for one application named as Pop Frame. As you can see on the first list, just click on it. Now click on download or install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now below you will see here some templates, so you can select templates depending upon your needs, or you can just click on this plus in order to add your screenshot. Click on this tick mark button, wait for a few seconds. So now you can see here it automatically adds your screenshot or screen recorded files inside our iPhone like design frames, as you can see here. So you can change the design frames also by clicking on this option. So you can select different options, so you can see. So once you're done, you can just click on this down arrow icon. Now you can expand it, you can maximize it, you can zoom out, you can set a different colors depending upon your needs. Here you can set the background, you can make it transparent also if you want, or you can add a different background. So tons of customization option depending upon your needs. So once you're done with your editing, you can click on this button on the right top corner. Now select this clean option and click on this export. Now click on this save image, click on allow. Now it will be saved to the Photos application. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add different iPhones like design frames in any screenshot or screen recorded files in iPhone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.